It's called a Taube.
Taube.
German, T-A-U-B-E, which is German for dove. And designed by a company, well, there were a bunch of different Taubes. Ettrich is probably one of the more predominant ones. And this one, usually they were two-seaters, like the one down there is a two-seater. And but after crashing this for the second time, I decided to redo it a bit differently and did it as a single-seater with a cut-down turtle deck and Austrian markings.
I was
So
say Austrian, yeah.
Austrian Taube, yeah. Silly me hadn't really realized that until the Olympics that the Austrian flag is 2 red stripes and a white stripe. So hey, makes sense. So,
yeah, it does.
yeah, I just like the way it looks, and
It's
very colorful and different.
Yeah.
It's different. Which
the
is
profile up in the air
something I like.
is really fantastic, and the colors are great. They pop.
Yeah.
So
And the name on the side, Dear Phoenix, is for the phoenix, since it has risen from the ashes on numerous occasions.
yes,
And Luchtenhund is my nickname, which is Lucky Dog.
Luchtenhund.
Luchtenhund, Lucky Dog. So.
Wow.